Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. We'll take a look at our base case here for the Bitcoin chart, our primary scenario, and then we're going to zoom in and take a look how this could work out. And then we take a look at our short-term bullish and short-term bearish path as well. So as you know, if you've been watching the previous videos, our expectation is that a B wave top has been made in July, 13th, 14th of July. Now we're looking for a 5-wave move down in a C wave. That C wave seems to be still in the making. It's a 5-wave move. We already completed a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3 most likely, and the wave 4 is currently in the making with one more low to come in a wave 5. That wave 5, when it happens, if it happens, I mean it's not guaranteed, but when it happens, and if it happens, we should get to 24K, 24K. That would be our support cluster as explained in previous videos. Below 23K, the 22K 78.6 retracement level comes into play. This is at the moment the base case that one more low is would be ideal. It's not required. Yeah, if Bitcoin completed a WXY structure instead of an ABC, Bitcoin's price can turn around at any time. Basically put in a lasting low. However, we have no evidence for that, so I'm not primarily looking for it. It would take a break above 27,720, a sustained break, to really confirm that a low is in place. So at the moment, however, I'm not primarily looking for that at the moment because of the, well, ideal structure, which would be a 5-wave move down. Another low here would be expected, and price would not be expected to break above 27,720. So if I zoom in a little bit, let's take a look at the short-term bullish and short-term bearish count. The short-term bullish one is currently preferred. That means that here within this wave 4, I mean the parameters should be clear. We talked about 27,720 as resistance, and it's yesterday's low as support. We actually had the 25,620 level as support. And it did hold, yeah, the hourly candle, even though price yesterday broke briefly below it, the hourly candle never closed below that level, so support did hold. But still, at the moment, the relevant level has become the last swing low at 25,350, 360. As long as yesterday's low is holding, and that is the short-term bullish case, we're dealing here with an ABC structure. That is the preferred scenario, A wave, B wave, C wave. Just because it would give us a clearer 3-wave move. Could be that the C wave has begun. Confirmation that the C wave is running, in my opinion, would be obtained if we can get a break above 26,300. Bear in mind, we're dealing here really with the micro counts. They are unreliable, but they still give us a view which support levels are relevant, which resistances, and about the probabilities on the shorter time frames. Yeah, so as long as yesterday's low is holding with that swing low, we should see a C wave to the upside. Ideal targets for the C wave, 27,120 and 27,720. Those would be the two levels that I'd be watching if price can break above 26,300. What is the short-term bearish wave count? Well, I already explained to you that we expect one more low anyway. So in this short-term bullish count, it would be expected to go a little higher, then get rejected at one of these strip levels, complete the wave 4, and break down in a wave 5. Confirmation for that would be a break below that 25,360 level. The short-term bullish count could be playing out as long as that low is holding. So short-term bearish means that this wave 4 already finished. Remember, we talked about a triangle here a few days ago. So the wave 4 might complete as a triangle or might have completed as a triangle. And we might already be in the 5th wave. That's possible. Therefore, I gave you the 26,300 level as confirmation that the C wave is running. Because a break above that level would invalidate the idea that we're already in the 5th wave. In the 5th wave, the move down could have been a wave 1. The current pullback is a wave 2, and we would move down like that. It would have to be, however, an ending diagonal. Why is that? It has to be an ending diagonal because the move of the highs yesterday, here, which was the end of a wave 4 triangle, the move down is only in 3 waves. So the entire move down has to be a 5-wave move because it's a wave 5, but the subwaves have to be 3-wave structures. So yeah, this is the short-term bearish case, only valid as long as price stays below 26,300, and it would be confirmed with a break below 25,360. That should give you really everything you need to know, medium term as well as short term on the Bitcoin chart. Again, my preference is that we are now in the short term bullish count, but would get rejected here and head down afterwards. But again, I'm not making the markets. That is what the market has to decide. I can only tell you what would look like the most ideal, let's call it textbook pattern here on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.